right now, currently parsing and creating the images for the video. So it's on an automatic posting schedule. It posts 3 times a week for me. This is the first image it created of the AI data center. Well, the second image. This was the first image it created when it made its mistakes, and it already started to correct itself. This is actually amazing.
You need a degree. You don't. You need the right certification.
And while it's posting and doing this and analyzing this video that it just posted, it's going through it and it's telling me what's wrong with it and how it's fixing it all at the same time. Guys, this AI is getting very strong, guys. It's getting very strong. This is crazy. Now, there it is. It created the video for me. The video is up. It posted for me. Go to YouTube. Let's see where it is. And there we go. The video is gonna be up in 1 second. It's still being processed. And I had to do nothing. See, post with hashtags, description, it hashtags the page. It tells you what I do and what I speak about. And it learns all of this from the things that you tell it. Should I put this tool out, guys? First video with our AI posting bot.
A+ or Network Plus. These are your entry tickets.
After parsing it and it getting all this information back, it went through all of the mistakes that it made, corrected them, and then it just dropped a new video, and it actually generates the images and hashtags also for me and everything. See? So it went from generating stuff like this
The field. Then get hands-on experience.
to me teaching it, and now it generates images like this of an AI data center. So now the videos went from stuff like this
Build a home lab.
to now videos like this. It's better text, better imagery, and it's getting better. That's how quick it's learning. It's learning that quick. With a couple more prompts, this should be a full-on autonomous video maker. And it posts for me Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And I built this all from home, hour a day after work.
Networking fundamentals, protocols, topologies, security, and wireless. It's all about how devices talk to each other.
It's all connected through API keys, and that's how it's branched off. These are some of the things that I added in. I added an API key from Gemini, one from Leonardo, one from ElevenLabs, and there was some text ones that I added in there. The next thing that I had to add in was
Network Plus feels like a natural
let me
progression.
pause this real quick. I had to connect my Google page from my YouTube channel so it can analyze the stuff that I post. Once it analyzed all of the things that I post, it had a better sense of what type of videos to make. So this is my channel here. And I gave it my channel link, right? I gave it my channel link, and it parsed through all of this to see what is it that I post, what is it that I do, and it found all of this stuff. Just like that. Just like that. It's a really cool tool, guys. I can't wait to put this out for you guys. All right? Gemini writes the scripts, the title, description, and the hashtags. Leonardo is for my image generation. ElevenLabs handles the voiceovers. And then I have text overlays that I just added, and I'll provide a download link for you guys. And it's all one single pipeline. Schedule Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Auto posting, cross post to TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. So it posts on 3 platforms 3 times a week without you having to do anything, right? And whenever you're ready, you could turn it off. You can set it back up, however you want to do it. I'm just gonna package it up together for you guys so I can actually push it to you guys so you can get it.